Whether you run a maintenance shop or work as an independent aircraft technician, having the right tools in one place helps you stay organized and work more efficiently. At TBX, we make everyday maintenance tasks simpler and more intuitive. Enter your aircraft data once, and TBX builds your AD report. Organize your project with our work order system. From workflow to invoicing, TBX runs the job. Even your Form 337 can be generated digitally. Create logbook entries the way you want them, with customizable formatting, bullet points, numbered lists, and more. Need to review an incident report, advisory circular, or regulation? It's already in your compliance library, just a click away. Spend less time managing the process and more time getting the job done. Explore these features and more. Start your free trial today.